Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have an exciting accessory for all you tech enthusiasts out there. It's the XLTTYWL StarLink mount with StarLink wall grommet, designed to enhance your StarLink Mesh Router V2 experience. In this video, we'll delve into the features and benefits of this product, helping you decide if it's the right addition to your smart home setup. The XLTTYWL StarLink mount is constructed from pure white ABS plastic, ensuring strength and durability. This means your StarLink Mesh Router V2 will stay securely in place, even during the most demanding tasks. This StarLink Internet Kit satellite mount provides extra stability for your wireless StarLink Mesh router without blocking any signals. With its inductive charging line, you can neatly wrap the StarLink cable inside the bracket, keeping your setup organized and efficient. The XLTTYWL StarLink mount has a simple and elegant design that seamlessly blends into your smart home decor. It looks like a natural part of your StarLink satellite internet setup, adding a touch of sophistication to any room. Installing this accessory is a breeze. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions, and you'll only need one pre-drilled hole for a convenient and secure fit for your StarLink cable. Say goodbye to complicated setups and hello to hassle-free installation. Each pack includes all the necessary components, providing a comprehensive solution for sealing wall openings and maintaining cable integrity. You won't need to hunt for additional parts. Everything you need is right in the box. The XLTTYWL StarLink mount is not just a wall bracket for your StarLink Wi-Fi extender. It can also be placed on a table for a clean and stylish look. This versatility means you can customize your setup according to your preferences. Consider bundling this product with the XLTTYWL wall bushing for StarLink Dishy Ethernet cable, a perfect match for cable routing and protection. It includes reliable plastic wall bushings designed to withstand everyday wear and tear. To sum it up, the XLTTYWL StarLink mount with StarLink wall grommet is a must-have accessory for StarLink Mesh Router V2 owners. Its durability, stability, and elegant design make it an excellent addition to any smart home setup. With easy installation and a complete set of components included, it's a hassle-free solution to improve your Wi-Fi reception and maintain cable integrity. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your StarLink experience. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful product reviews. If you have any questions or want us to review specific products, please leave your suggestions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.